You say hi?
Get out. You getting him, sissy?
Okay, Lauren, don't sit right on top of him. That'll hurt him. Get her, Ryan. Get her.
Go get her, Ryan. Tackle. Tackle. Get her.
Not with the hammer.
Put the hammer down, Ryan.
Let him get you, Lauren. Let him get you.
Get him, buddy. Get her. Get her. Get her, Ryan. Get her. Go get her. Go get her. Get her, Ryan. Get her. Get her. Attaboy. Take her down. Good boy.
Is that fun? You say hi? Hi.
Hi. Come here, buddy.
Stand up, Ryan, and walk here. Can you stand up and walk? No, don't crawl. Walk. You can walk that far. You walked today so far. Mm-hmm. Go walk. Go get your sister. Go get her. Go get her. You gotta walk.
Go get her.
Go get her.
Watch
Lauren, don't push him over. Just down. Ryan, can you stand up? Stand up.
Come back over, buddy.
Stand up. Come on, stand up. Can you stand up? Where's that TV?
Come on.
Stand up. Can you move that TV? Stand up. And go chase after your sister. But don't push him down this time, Lauren. Okay, go get your sister. Go get her. Don't push him down, Lauren.
Let him get you. Watch.
Lauren!
Be careful with him, baby.
Lauren, you can't push him down, baby. You're going to hurt your brother. He's a little.
You gotta be careful with him.
Oh, you're knocking Daddy down.
Oh, jeez.
Are you up on the couch, big boy? Lauren, can you say hi to the camera? Oh, you want to say hi too?
Pull up your pants. Pull up your britches.
What's the matter with you? Careful, Ryan. You laughing, Lauren? Daddy silly?
Love you, Bridget. What's the matter with you? You think so, buddy?